What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I wasn't planning on uploading a video, but I just got a call from my son. There is a Hellcat Redeye that just got to the dealer yesterday, and I'm gonna go and check it out. Wearing the demon hat, you gotta wear the proper hat. Also want to give you a quick update on the light that we put on top of the H2. I think one of the first videos I uploaded, I show you the light that I got from Amazon. That light right there. Still daylight. I can show you what it still looks like after rain and snow and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing I did the other day. It's gonna go dark in a second, and then it'll show you what still looks like. Doesn't show any humidity on the inside. It doesn't show anything like some other lights that you get for the same price. When it rains, you see a little like I guess all the water and everything I guess inside the light, because some of them Chinese chip lights do that. This one I'm gonna show you in a second. So it's gonna go back to 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So sorry, it went dark out of the sudden. Anyways, you can see now you can see how much the light puts out. The last video I showed you guys when I installed it and everything, it was with my phone. Now I have a better camera, so you can see. Well, I don't know if it's, let me put to the side right here. Anyways, there you go. I was trying to show you that it doesn't have any foggy spots like water, like humidity or anything like that. If it looks kind of foggy, it's because, you know, I haven't washed this truck in a while. But there you have it. I'm gonna put a link on the description of the video, like I said, for the Amazon and the harness and all that good stuff. So there you have it. Still bright. A few months later, I think it was December or September when I did this. So that's what it still looks like. And we're gonna go back to daylight in 1, 2, 3, and all right. So now you've seen what the light still looks exactly the same. None of those little LED things going out on me or any of the sections, because I've seen some other lights where a whole section of the light just goes out. So I'm gonna put a link on the description for Amazon. That's where I got it from. Also for the harness, because the harness doesn't come with the light. Remember, the light, it's by itself with just a little piece of wire. You got to get the harness separate. One thing that I want to let you guys know, the harness comes with a couple of fuses that they're not really the ones that I recommend. I recommend you go ahead and buy like a 25 or 30 amp fuse and put it on there, because if you use the ones that come with the harness on this light, it's gonna blow them out. So again, I'm going to put a link in the description for the light and the harness, and just head out to the dealership, see if we can check out this Hellcat. What's up? A quick stop for gas though. Remember that video I posted like, I don't know, like a month ago or so, when I was washing the Charger and I show you all the dirt and everything? Let me show you what it looks like now. See that? It looks like that every week. Every single week I have to go and wash this thing. So before we head to the dealer, we are going to go to a car wash real quick. We're going to gas hop, wash this guy, and then we'll check out that Hellcat. What's up, guys? Quick stop at the gas station. I went through the whatever you call it, that thing right there, drive through car wash. I want to show you what this blue is supposed to look like. Now that little shot that I show you, all the scratches and all that dust in it, but this is what it's supposed to look like. Alright, so there you have it. Let's head to the dealership now. What's going on? We finally made it to the dealer. Look who we got here, Arnie. Check that out. Somebody went over the house yesterday and detailed it for us. I don't think even the video does any justice at all, but that thing looks clean. Anyway, so we're gonna go inside in a little bit and check out the Hellcat. If you're watching this video and you're on the LA area and you want to get anything Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, you give this man a call right here. I'm gonna post his email on the description of the video, but later on he'll probably shoot his phone number and everything. So Give me a second. We're gonna go and ride on this truck up to the last floor where they park all the cars. Oh, by the way, check this out. I don't think you can see it. Well, anyway, check out this black, I think it's called Bighorn Edition, 1500. Can't really see it, but anyway, so like I was saying before, if you're in the LA area and you want to check out one of these things, you give this man a call right here, and your phone number is
626-430-0847.
There you go. Check this guy out. Check that out. Big bash right there. Big screen in the middle. It's not as big as the other one, but you know. Anyways, we'll catch up with you guys in a second outside. What's going on, guys? Finally made it inside, and check that out. This thing is freaking beautiful, man. There you have it. Just got the black hood on it. There's some other ones that got the whole destroyer right through the hood, but this one got the black hood. And I think, oh, check that out. Black roof too. This one back here is just a regular Hellcat. This one's been sitting here for, how long have you had this one? About a month or so. And this one just came in yesterday. This thing is beautiful. Check out the inside. Black interior. That black one has the red leather. See if you can see it through the window. This one has a red leather. This guy right here is just, well, that's all the stuff that comes with it. You guys familiar with all of that? Check this out. Redeye. You want to pop the hood? All right. What's the little latch at? Is it here or down? There you go.
Into a little Hellcat. Red irons.
On the regular Hellcat, as you guys know, you only got the little silver logo on it, and this one they got the little black logo with the red eye on it. I think it looks pretty cool. This is what a cold start on a 2019 Hellcat Redeye sounds like. There you go. That was a little dashboard for you guys though. I think you guys seen enough of it. Like I said, hit him up if you're in the LA area to get one. Like I always said, see you on the next video.